You searched how to buy shares of Lollands Bank AS, and this short video walks through the exact steps for that stock. Lollands Bank AS is a regional bank listed on CBOE EU under the ticker LOLBCO. This is educational content, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify the account, usually with an identity document, and then add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker LOLB.co to locate the listing. Select the result that matches Lollands Bank AS to ensure you have the correct share. On the asset page, check the basic company information and the price chart to confirm it is Lollands Bank AS. Make sure the exchange shows CBOE EU and the ticker reads LOLB.co before proceeding. Tap Investor Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the purchase completes. After the trade, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A helpful link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to explore the platform further.